Hello, good morning children. How are you? Fine. Okay children, today we are going to do with month book number 6, day 3. Month book number 6, day 3. Okay children? Open day 3. Here maths it is. What comes before? So you have to write the number which comes before. जो number before आता है वो आपको लिखना है. So I will just show it on a blackboard. What comes before? See, here number 1717 is given for you. तो 1717 से पहला कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1616, 1717, 1818. And 2020 से पहला कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1919. Okay? So like that you have to complete it. 1616, 1717, 1818, 1919 and 2020. Now the next number. See here. The number 2222 is given to you. So now here the number 2424 is given. So what comes before 2424? 2323. So 2222, 2323, 2424. Here again you have to fill the number. And here the number 2626 is given. So what comes before 2626? 2525. Okay children? 2222, 2323, 2424, 2525, 2626. Now the next number. See here, the number 3434 is given. So what comes before 3434? 3333, 3434. And here the number 3636 and 3737 is given. So what comes before 3636? 3535. 3333, 3434, 3535, 3636 and 3737. Now the next number. 4141 is given and 4242 is given. So what comes before 4141? 4040. 4040. 4040, 4141, 4242. And here the number 4444 is given to you. So what comes before 4444? 4343. 4343. Okay children? Now let's go to the next number. 1515. So what comes before 1515? 1414, 1515. And here the number 1717 is given to you. And 1818 is also given. But what comes before 1717? 1616, 1414, 1515, 1616, 1717 and 1818. Okay children, so you have to do this as the homework at home. Now turn to the next page. Write the numbers which comes before. The same it is. You have to write the numbers which comes before. Write the numbers which comes before. Here the number is 1 to 12. So which number comes before 1 to 12? 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11 and then 1 to 12 come. Now the next number. 1, 5, 15. So which number comes before 1, 5, 15? 1, 4, 14. Now the next number. 1, 8, 18. So which number comes before 1, 8, 18? 1, 7, 17. Here the number is 1, 1, 11. So which number comes before 1, 1, 11? 1, 0, 10. And here the number is 1, 7, 17. So which number comes before 1, 7, 17? 1, 6, 16. And here again the numbers are given to you. So you have to do this at home as a homework children. Now let's learn about the flowers. What is this? Today we are going to learn about the flowers. आपने बहुत सारे flowers देखे होंगे. So today we are going to learn the names. Hibiscus, mogra, champa, sunflower, lotus, lily, daisy, marigold and rose. So these are the names of the flowers. Okay? Hibiscus, mogra, champa, sunflower, lotus, lily, daisy, marigold and rose. So now we are going to learn the question and answers related to the flowers. Which is our national flower? आपको पता है कौन सा national flower है? Lotus is our national flower. The lotus is our national flower. Then, where do flower grows? Flowers कहाँ grow होते हैं? Flower grows on plants and tree. आपको पता है ना parts of the plant. अभी हम learn करेंगे उसको बाद में. तो last में flower होते हैं. Stems. पहले roots आते हैं. Then stem. उसके बाद छोटे छोटे लीव्स आते हैं, उसके बाद फ्लावर्स आते हैं. तो फर्स्ट दिस इज द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. ऐसे हमको फ्लावर मिलता है. वी गेट फ्लावर फ्रॉम द प्लांट. फ्लावर ग्रोज ऑन प्लांट्स एंड ट्री. नाउ द थर्ड वन, विच फ्लावर ग्रोज इन वाटर? पानी में कौन सा फ्लावर ग्रो होता है? द लोटस ग्रोज इन फ्लावर. और वो अपना नेशनल फ्लावर भी है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. Which is our national flower? The lotus is our national flower. And which flower grows in water? The lotus grows in water. Which flowers always faces the sun? एक flower का नाम आपको I think so almost all the children might be knowing. It faces to the sun. So which flower it is? Yes, the sunflower always faces to the sun. The sunflower always faces the sun. Now let's go to the next page. Here, color the picture. This is a drawing of a flower. So you have to color it at home. Children, इसको आपको color करना है. So please color it at home. Color the picture of a flower. Okay? So today now I have completed with day 3. Okay? Now we will do with day 4. Now, children, we are going to do with day 4. Okay, children. Here is the introduction of a phonic sound CL blend words. Okay, so we are going to see the picture and we are going to learn it. Cloud. CLOUD, cloud. Clon. CLOWN, clon. Cloth. CLOTH, cloth. Clock. CLOCK, clock. Clock. CLAW. So we'll write it on the blackboard. CL blend word. CLOUD, cloud. Clon. CLOWN, clon. Cloth. CLOTH, cloth. Clock. CLOCK, clock. And the last one is clock. CLAW. So these are CL blend words. So here write the blend CL words. So children, you have to see the picture and you have to complete this at home. Now turn to the next page. Fill in the blanks using preposition. Means in and out. On. This all are prepositions. So we have to see the picture and then we have to write it. Fill in the blanks using preposition. The eggs are. Egg कहाँ पे है? In the nest. Where it is? In. I-N, in. Now the next one. Where is the cat? On the ladder. The cat is on the ladder. So you have to write it on. O-N, on. Now the third one. Where is the crayon? The crayon is in the box. The crayons are in the box. Okay, I-N, in. Now the next one. Where is the dog? Sitting on the table. The dog is on the table. The dog is on the table. O-N, on. Now the next. Bug. Where is the bug sitting? On the mat. The bug is on the mat. The bug is on the mat. O-N, on. Now the next one. Where is the dog? The dog is in the canal. The dog is in the canal. So you have to write it in. I-N, in. Now the next one. Where is the cat sitting? In the basket. Basket के अंदर बैठी है ना? So the cat is in the basket. I-N, in, you have to write it. Now the next one. Where is the pen? The pen is on the book. Where is the pen? The pen is on the book. So like that you have to complete it at home. Fill in the blanks. Now let's go to the next page. Write the number between numbers. Between means बीच का number आपको लिखना है. So look here, 8. After 8, which number comes? 9. 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Now the next number, 9. 9 and 11 के बीच में कौन सा number आता है? 1, 0, 10. So 9, 1, 0, 10 and 1, 1, 11. Now the third one, here the number 1, 5, 15 is given and here 1, 7, 17. So दोनों के बीच में which is the between number? 1, 6, 16. 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16 and 1, 7, 17. So children, this you have to do it at home as a homework. Now let's turn to the next page. After numbers, write the numbers that comes after. तो आपको formation में लिखना है. See, your T means tens and O means ones. So here the number 5 is written. So you have to write the number 6. What comes after? So 6 कहाँ लिखेंगे? Under O. That is 1, 6. Okay? Now here 1, 7, 17 is given to you. And here T means tens and O means 1. So what comes after 17? 18. So 1 is written under T and 8 is written under O, that is ones. One more I'll show to you. 2, 8, 28. So now after 2, 8, 28, which number comes? 2, 9, 29. So 2 is written under T, that is tens, and 9 is written under O, that is ones. So children, you have to complete this at home as a homework. So now I have completed with day 3 and day 4. Bye bye. See you. Meet you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you, children.